Hedera hashgraph price today is $0.060430 with a 24-hour trading volume of $268.47 million, market cap of $896.35 million, and market dominance of 0.08%. The HBAR price decreased -0.34% in the last 24 hours. Hedera hashgraph reached its highest price on September 15, 2021 when it was trading at its all-time high of $0.567001, while Hedera hashgraph's lowest price was recorded on January 2, 2020 when it was trading at its all-time low of $0.009880. The lowest price since its ADH was $0.035755, cycle low. The highest HBAR price since the last cycle low was $0.098332, cycle high. The Hedera hashgraph price prediction sentiment is currently bullish, while fear and greed index is showing 50, neutral. Hedera hashgraph's current circulating supply is 14.83 bHBAR out of max supply of 50.00 bHBAR. In terms of market cap, Hedera hashgraph is currently ranked number 10 in the proof-of-stake coins sector and ranked number 23 in the Layer 1 sector. This discussion is about a particular cryptocurrency called hashgraph. It is a mid-tier coin with the ticker code Hbar, and its current value is $0.051029, and it has a market capitalization of $1,647,178,622 as of the most recent data. In the present, digital currencies are no longer just used by technology fans, opportunists, and niche merchants. Instead, they have become a separate asset class that is heavily regulated and, surprisingly, widely accepted as a real form of value. Banks are using Hedera hashgraph and other cryptocurrencies as a way to protect their assets from the growing power of the cryptocurrency industry, which is slowly replacing traditional financial markets. In this context, it's a good time to talk about our predictions for the short, medium, and long-term future of the banking sector. The market analysis of our unique crypto hashgraph shows a value of 0.051029, which puts the coin at the 38th position. This is a problem because most people think that rankings are only based on the value of resources right now, which is generally measured by market capitalization. The equation in question is used a lot in different financial markets, which makes it very important. On August 2, at the end of the trading day, the actual price of Hedera hashgraph was 0.048304. The main price change was an increase of $5.07 on August 3, which happened 7 days earlier. Before this time, on June 13, 1 month ago, a market participant said the price of Hedera hashgraph would be 0.048304. Notably, a similar numerical method is used to figure out where digital currencies and stocks stand generally and how widely they are used. Large changes in market capitalization that aren't good are often signs of possible market trends and the gains or losses that could happen in the short and long term. This particular metric is also used to compare the popularity of Hedera hashgraph to that of other digital currencies. The changes in this figure could tell us a lot about how the market is doing right now. At the moment, Hedera hashgraph's market price stays pretty steady at $1,648,622. The current arrangement, which was supposedly mentioned yesterday, has a big effect on why it exists. On August 2, the market value of Hbar was about $1,559.60. On August 3, the market value of the coin in question was $1,525,882,159, which is a big deal. On June 13, 1 month before, the projected market value of Hedera hashgraph was $1,431,513,394. The term supply refers to the number of coins that were made on purpose, especially those made for intensive mining. These digital currencies can be traded quickly or saved safely in the wallets of supporters or under the watch of managers. This metric also takes into account the coins that are usually lost through a process called consumption, which controls the rate of growth. As a result, coins have become a type of resource that must be carefully managed and are widely known to be legally sensitive. Despite what most people think. At the moment, all 50,000 bars of Hedera hashgraph are being directly released. Supply is often used to figure out the market capitalization and get an exact count of how many coins are still in circulation. The view stated is very different from what most people think about the overall size of the reduced Planck constant Hbar that is being traded in all markets right now. HB is currently making coins available that are usually marked as locked, frozen, or temporarily unavailable for general use. At first, this was seen as a surprising move, but it is generally agreed that digital currencies with a circulating supply of between 60 million and 150 million are the best for long-term investments because their value is more likely to rise slowly over time. After 24 hours, Hbar has had 24,237,686 sales. The average weighted trading volume, which was 16,680.393, stayed the same until the trading period ended on August 2. As a result, Ned can now present our projections about the short-term, medium-term, and long-term changes in the Hbar market. These projections are based on the analysis of our proprietary crypto volatility data set, which lets us evaluate market sentiment and predict future market movements. This is a very important part of the field. On August 3, exactly 7 days before, market members expected to trade a total of 24,700 bars. Today, we have a chance to really understand what needs to be done to fix the history of instability in the world of cryptocurrencies. This fix is very important because it is a key part of our price expectations model, which gives us a full understanding of almost everything. The price of Bitcoin BTC has once again dropped below $30,000. However, if the patterns seen so far continue, there is a chance that its price will rise again in the future. Bitcoin, also known as BTC, fell by about 1.5% on Tuesday, bringing its value down to about 29,700 units. Bitcoin is a digital currency that runs on the world's biggest decentralized network, which is known for its cryptographic security. Earlier today, the price briefly fell to a new one-month low of around $2,950. After reaching a peak value of more than 31,800 units, the cryptocurrency has lost some of its strength.